Hi, I'm Jürgen Kappus and I'd like to show you how to use Camedia's in-world video and screen sharing and presentation tool as a teacher or moderator. Normally, if you use this tool as a student, you cannot share your screen and you cannot upload a presentation. At least one of your participants has to be a teacher. As you see, normally I'm not logged in as a teacher, I'm logged in as a guest. So if I join a meeting, some buttons are missing. That are the buttons for screen sharing and for presentation upload. As you see here, and I have no moderator rights. At least one person in my meeting has to have moderator rights to do screen sharing and presentation upload. So I log out again and show you how you get presentation rights as a moderator. The first thing is you have to find the login page. If you're in the course, there's a link to it. It's called Login or Create a New Account before entering the meeting. If you like to log in, or if you already haven't got an account at Camedia, you could click on the link Login or Create a New Account before entering the meeting. One of you has to have if you like to log in, or if you already haven't got an account at Camedia, you can click on the link Login or Create a New Account before entering the meeting. One of you has to have an account so you can use screen sharing and presentation upload. On the login page, you see a button Create a New Account. We click on it. You have to choose a username. Normally I take an email address. You have to choose a password. It has to use one special sign and at least one numeric field, like this. You have to enter an email address. You could use the one you have chosen for the login name. You have to enter your name. You have to enter your town. And you have to select the country. Now your account is created. Oh, I've forgotten to choose at least one uppercase character. Now it's a good password. As you see, an email has been sent to me to confirm the account. The email contains a very long link. I copy it to a second browser window and the confirmation is ready. Now, if I look on my profile settings, I see I have a profile. If I like to, I could change the time zone, because it's important if I don't live in Germany. There are many time zones you can choose. Let's switch back to the window we started and close this one. I have to reload this window just to get my account working, so I just close it and click on the web meeting connector again. Now I am a teacher or moderator and can use screen sharing or presentation upload for my team. I start the meeting. I allow the usage of the microphone, play the test sound, change the microphone settings, and join the conference. Now we're logged in the second window, but the first window also has old content. In the profile settings, I could, for example, change my time zone if I don't come from Germany, because it's the time zone of Germany at the system. And I could change an image of me so that it looks a little bit more nice. I just have to paste the picture from my hard disk here, and that's all. So, Jürgen Kappus could now enroll into this course. And now in the second window everything is fine. In the first window, where our meeting should start, we have to update this information. So I closed it and opened it again. Now you have registered to the system and you could act as moderator or teacher. For the next time when you want to use the system as a moderator or teacher, you just have to log in the system in one window before you start the meeting. But as you will see, you could easily do it like this. You start the meeting, go back to the login, and here are login fields. So I log in with my data. Now there's the interesting point. Here's my picture. I'm also already logged in now. And if I now go to the meeting, I choose the general meeting. Allow my microphone as always. Play the test sound. Change the microphone. Attach the microphone. Join the conference. I have a button for screen sharing and a button for presentation upload. I take off the chat so I have more place. Try to enlarge the window. And choose a presentation I want to show to my participants. I upload one. Here's one, I choose it. I click on the upload button. The system checks, uploads it, and checks if the document is convertible. And now I can show it to my participants. And I can use funny little tools like a pen also on to mark things that are important for me. It's a little bit slow because of the screen recording in the background. And everything I do here will be transferred to my participants. If I now want to show something via screen recording, e.g. using building tools, I could do it as moderator and teacher in here as well. I just click on the screen sharing button. I choose a full screen or a region. Best choice is always to choose a region. I will choose now a very small region because the performance with screen sharing is not that high. I have to allow some things, but there are also things that only a teacher has to allow. The students can use the normal player. I start the sharing here and see something happen here that is transmitted to my participants. And e.g. if I do buildings and want to show how to use the tools, I put this little screen sharing window here and could show everything that I do that is normally not visible to my students. I hope this little lesson helped you to use these tools. If you like to ask questions, or if you have special questions or needs of special tools, don't hesitate to come back to me. Thank you for joining. Bye bye.